This is a golden opportunity to realize the dream of our Honorable Prime Minister. Water conservation, Clean India and Skill Development Scheme. We are committed to making this project a success with innovative technology and ideology. In joint venture with Techno Consultancy and Marketing. Benefits of our revolutionary project. Millions of people will be saved from diseases and death due to contaminated water. Polluted rivers, stream, lake will be purified. Everyone will get pure drinking water. Grains and vegetables will be grown on thousands of acres of land, which will provide employment to millions. The new generation will benefit forever. Thousands and millions of people will get training and employment. Our American organization, Green Tech World Organization, consists group of talented research chemists, skilled textile technician, engineer, and environment expert from USA, India, China, and others. Despite thousands of textile industries, there is no research and training center to educate the needy peoples. Due to the lack of technical education, everyone works with the traditional method. Our mission to bring revolution in textile industry through prevention and minimization of pollution in textile processing with innovative technology. Establish research and training centers to educate needy peoples. Chemical, machine design and pollution treatment systems. As a result, we have an excellent achievement. This will minimize pollution, save water, energy, and maximum water can be reused. We want to do something that no one would have thought of till now. Our innovative technology is saving almost 25% to 50% of chemical, water, and effluent in mercerized and dyeing. Overall, the country will save thousands of tons of caustic soda. We are constantly trying for zero discharge, which is impossible and unbelievable for the normal technician. During our visit to India and Bangladesh, we found that people are suffering from lack of drinking water, excessive dirt, and more deadly diseases. According to the information available, despite the ban, millions of tons of sodium silicate are somehow used in many parts of India. Dangerously polluted water is very difficult or not possible. So, it is discharged into river and canals without further purification. But we are committed and have been continuously trying for years to solve this problem. Our technology is beneficial for all developing and underdeveloped countries also. We design and set up small to large units and industrial estate with our innovative technology that can save water, energy, pollution, and maximum water can be reused. For restoration and reclamation of polluted land and water, and to save energy, water, and pollution, please contact us earliest. If you are a private or government organization, if you are a textile technician and you want to increase your skill for better pay, if you want to upgrade the existing industry or establish a new monopoly industry, if you want to run your business with peace of mind without worrying about the problem of pollution, if you are a trader or investor and looking for the best investment opportunity, don't forget to contact us to make immediate progress by getting started before anyone else.